Hello everyone. You see in my hand are all different connectors. Look at this one. Is an accessory on a host. There are large connectors on this one. And this one, it has two ends, with wires on both ends. It needs to use our bedroom fleece hat machine. This is the one customized within a label. What are the benefits of this machine? This one is 1.8 kilowatts. You can see that this bracket is very good to hold the product. This machine is equipped with a Max system, which can automatically upload production data. Okay, you can see the difference between this one with safety light curtain and two start switches on both sides. Our products can be customized, different 4-volt motors with different watts. We have 1.5 kilowatts, 1 kilowatt. It depends on the customer's product requirements and your efforts. Okay, this product has been twisted, so we need to loosen the connector first. We can see that. We can start it on the touchscreen. It can be twisted and loosen it. Okay, now I'm in the torque mode because I have added a safety light curtain. If my hand is placed in this position, there will be a safety prompt. The machine won't work. Okay, when I move my hand away, it can work. You can twist both sides here. Why do we add to start switch here? To prevent your other hand from being idle. Your hand may wave to this position. If we still press this to start, or the touch screen to start, your hand will definitely cross this light mountain. There will be a warning. So in this position, there will be no warning message. You can't see it. There is a smaller connector like this, the smallest connector. It's very convenient to replace in our machine because they are all external. Just unscrew these 2 screws, and unscrew these 3 screws to replace it. Look, we have already done this. These tools, which is very convenient to replace.